Hey students, welcome to a new week. We're almost at the end of school. You guys have made it until here, nice work. This week we're going to be talking about persuasive essays, and persuasive essays come from the word persuade, right? So you're going to be trying to persuade me or the school to do something. So here's the topic for this week. I was looking on the internet and I was thinking about our upcoming field trip. I'm really excited, by the way, to see the medieval times performance. But I was thinking about virtual reality. And I started looking on the internet about some options and some different things that are actually being provided to schools nowadays. And one of those new technologies are actually virtual field trips. So students can use their device, put on these virtual reality glasses, and actually have an experience or a field trip virtually. One of the examples that they gave was an undersea field trip. Another one, I think they were on a farm and the girl was commenting about seeing a cow 3D and things like that. And it got me thinking a little bit about field trips and our technology nowadays. And I want you guys to think about how you feel about going on a virtual field trip. Do you think that would be something that you'd be interested in doing? Would it be better than a real field trip about actually going somewhere? Would it allow us to go places that are outside of our reach? For example, going to a different country or maybe underwater. That's something that we wouldn't be able to actually take a real field trip and do, right? But virtually, you may be able to go and see things that you wouldn't normally be able to. But is it the same? Would it be a fun experience for you? Would you be interested in doing a trip like that? I want you to think about these questions and think about this new technology. And then I want you to write me an essay. It should have 5 paragraphs, your introduction, conclusion, and 3 body paragraphs, persuading me to either go to virtual field trips, to switch over to that, or to not, to stay with a regular, to get on a bus, go to the field trip kind of thing. So make sure that you first have an opinion. Second, that you think about why, right? Because your essay is going to need to tell me why you think that and why I should follow what you're saying. So make sure that you brainstorm some different reasons, and then I want you to start the actual essay. Remember that each paragraph should have a what. What is the spoiler? What do we call that? The topic sentence, right? So your topic sentence is going to kind of spoil the paragraph for me. It's going to tell me exactly what you're going to be talking about. So when I read that topic sentence, I should know, oh, this is what's going to be in the paragraph. So make sure you have that. Also, for your introduction, remember our strategies. Make me think. Give me an example. Make me imagine. Ask me a question. Give me a statistic. Something that draws my attention. Remember, I have to read 20 essays. So make sure you give me a piece of information that makes me interested in reading the rest of your essay. And please make sure that it's neat. It can be typed or it can be handwritten, as long as I can read it. And your essay is going to be due next Monday, okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in class, but this is what you should be working on this week, all right? Have fun, and I'm really looking forward to reading your essays. Bye, guys.